June for both Great Western and also South Western. That's between Reading and Redhill and between Guildford and Woking respectively. 10-minute delays for Southern and Kensington East Croydon and buses still running between East Grinstead and Redhill, as well as between Edenbridge and Redhill. I'm Zoe Blackmore, BBC Travel Centre.
BBC Sussex. Made in Sussex for Sussex.
BBC introducing the soundtrack for the day on the way very shortly after Boy Meets Girl and Waiting for a Star to Fall. So 81333, so a message with the word radio, your headline deadline. It's quite a tricky one today, but the litter of 10 red and white Irish setters that has been born. It's good news because they're an endangered dog species, just 39 of them registered last year, as they are taking less of a preference when it comes to things like cockatoos and labradoodles, all the popular breeds.